Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosie and if you are new here, please do subscribe, it really helps me out. So like I said in my last video, I want to start talking a little bit more about sustainability and eco-friendly items. And I'm going to start off with this one, which is the LastSwab. So the company is actually called Last Object, and I think they create a couple of different sustainable and eco-friendly items. But the one that caught my eye was called LastSwab. Now on their website it says that LastSwab is a reusable, sustainable and sanitary alternative to cotton swabs, buds and Q-tips. It helps combat the millions of single-use cotton swabs that are produced every day. So they have two options. They have either the basic or the beauty, and I think the difference is the top is maybe a little bit different, and they are $12 each. They do have a couple of different colours as well. They've got like a turquoise blue, a corally pink colour, a nice kind of aqua blue, a sage green, a kind of raspberry reddy pinky colour, a black, a white, and that's all the basic colours. And then the beauty colours, they have purple, yellow, black, white, peach and that raspberry purple colour. So I basically got in contact with them via Instagram and I said, hey guys, I love your brand, I would love to learn more. And they offered to send me two of these. So I got one of each. I got one of the beauty ones and one of the basic ones. And they come in packaging like this. So the basic one I got in peach and the beauty one I got in yellow. They have their own names, but just peach and yellow is fine for us. And it says, so these are soft and flexible tips. The box contains a LastSwab and a carry case. It's the swab, it's like a Q-tip. It comes in its own carry case. Strong and durable. And it says it's a reusable swab made of PP and TPE. Clean with soap and water. Do not put in dishwasher, boil, or use too far in the ear and the nose. It's an environmentally friendly alternative to cotton swabs. And yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to start with the basic one and open this up. So this is what it looks like. This would be great for camping and travelling, things like that. So it's got this hole here, I guess you can attach it to keys or something. So you kind of push it open and then the swab is there in the middle. That's so cool. So it's like a rubbery material. So this is the basic one and this is kind of a bobbled end tip. It's a tiny bit flexible but not super. And that goes in there. So that's the first one. That one's the beauty. That one's the basic one. And then inside the packaging as well, it's got some information. So I'm going to read this to you. It says, there is no planet B. LastSwab is an alternative to traditional cotton swab. Every year, trillions of single-use plastic products are discarded without a second thought, only to end up in the ocean harming wildlife. Use LastSwab like you would use a normal cotton swab, although we do advise that you swab responsibly. By purchasing LastSwab, you are part of the solution. Thank you for helping us free our planet of single-use items. It says, do not put the swab too far into the ear or nose. Do not apply acetone to the swab and do not use on infants or children. And it says that you just saved the planet from up to 1,000 cotton swabs. So using one of these is the equivalent of using 1,000 cotton swabs. So that was the basic one I got in peach. And then let's have a look at the beauty one. So the beauty one I got in this yellow colour, which is why I wore this top actually. I think it goes quite nicely together. So the beauty one I got in yellow. And this one's soft. So where the other one was like bobbly, this one's smooth and it's got a pointed edge on one side. Again, it's a little bit flexible but not super flexible. And that just sits in there. So I think the packaging is great, the way that it comes, because that would stay really clean. If you had that, you know, if you take it travelling with you, you could pop that in your makeup bag and that's going to stay clean and away from, you know, hairs and, I don't know, your wet toothbrush and whatever else. So that's the packaging and that's how they come. I think these are super cute and so great, especially for travelling, things like that. I think they would be good in terms of, you know, taking off makeup or cleaning your ears and your nose, whatever you want to do with it. I don't do that personally, but yeah, so that's the first company that I'm reviewing on my new sustainability kind of section of my YouTube channel. So it says the way to clean it is to clean it just by hand using soap and water. So like I said earlier, the case is PLA, which is made of corn and is biodegradable. So that's awesome. Although it does say that the rod is plastic and the ends are TPE. I'm not sure what TPE is. I'll leave it here to find out. And I guess even though it's made of plastic, the actual stem, which I didn't realise honestly before I got these, even though it's made of plastic, the fact that you would use it 1,000 times over using 1,000 like single-use ones, I guess that's why they're saying that they're eco-friendly and sustainable, because you would use one over 1,000. And it says even if LastSwab does end up in the ocean, its damage is less than 0.1% of its single-use counterparts, simply because there will be much less of them. Fair, but I also wish I hadn't used plastic. So I'm on the FAQ page. It's actually quite interesting. Why not just use paper or cotton ones? Paper and cotton swabs impact the environment because they are single use. The average person goes through hundreds of cotton swabs each year. These cotton swabs get produced, warehoused, shipped, purchased, used and discarded. During this process, the use of raw materials like the CO2 created are harmful to the environment. These processes become unnecessary when you commit to using reusable products like LastSwab, which you can use thousands of times. That's true. It's kind of like what I was saying in my last video, is that if you buy something once, even if it is plastic, you buy it once and use it over and over and over and over again, it's better than buying 1,000 things and having them all, you know, the environmental impact of like it being travelled and shipped and packaged and everything else. If you just buy it once, then it saves on the whole process. So even if it is plastic, it still helps. How long does it last? It says up to 1,000 uses. It's asking about how does the Beauty LastSwab work? So the Beauty one, it says to dip it in makeup remover to take off excess mascara on the eyelids, which is exactly what I need it for, so that's perfect. So I'm glad I know that. So I'm so happy with these two. I can't wait to start using them and let you know what I really think. I'm thinking about maybe at the end of the year or maybe twice a year or something, giving a little update on all the little items that I've been using and kind of say if it's been good or not, or worth it, or maybe give it like a 3-month review, something like that, so I can talk about, you know, like now's the unboxing and yes, they look great, but actually are they great and would I recommend them? Maybe I'll do a video talking about that later at another date. But so far I love the fun colours. Like I said, I chose these ones myself, but you can choose obviously different colours. Like I think it's cool to get black and white or the purples and blues. They're really beautiful tones as well. I kind of wanted something a little bit fun or something that would stand out in my makeup case when I'm looking for it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I guess the whole idea of these videos is to review different companies that are working towards a better future and better environment, you know, that are eco-friendly, that are biodegradable, all these different things. So this was obviously the first one in my series. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. And I hope I gave you some sort of information and some ideas to, you know, little things that you can change in your day-to-day life that don't cost a whole lot of money, but they really do help the environment. So like I said, these are $12. They come in lots of different colours and you can get the Beauty or the normal. I'll leave a link down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, so there's no pressure to buy. It's just a link so you can check it out yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. It really helps me out. And make sure you share this video with anybody else who is looking to be a bit more eco-conscious, you know, looking towards this kind of lifestyle a bit more, hoping to, you know, make little changes to overall make a bigger change in their life. Does that make sense? Share it with people who will be interested, basically. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!